2.0 provides an open, performant, and productive option for developers to develop their latest AI inventions. And that option, that creativity and democratization, if you will, is super important. We are one of only 2 GPU platforms that is integrated with PyTorch at this level. Okay, so we've covered ROCm and integration in open frameworks. That leads us to moving up to the top of the stack with AI models and algorithms. Hugging Face is the leading enabler of AI model innovation in the open source community. They offer an extremely wide range of models, including transformers that are at the heart of generative AI, but also vision models and models for all kinds of other applications and use cases. And this spans from multi-billion to almost trillion parameters to just millions and low single-digit billion parameter models. So here to talk to us more about their groundbreaking work and the partnership we have with Hugging Face is Clement, Delangue, CEO of Hugging Face. Please welcome. Clement, it's great to see you. Thanks for coming. Why don't we just start off and share your thoughts about why open source matters for the growth and the proliferation of AI?
Thanks for having me. So first, it's important to remember that most progress in AI in the past 5 to 10 years has been thanks to open science and open source. Maybe we'll be 50 years away from where we are today without it. Now, when we look to the future, open science and open source AI are not only a way to accelerate technology, but also to level the playing field and distribute to all companies, startups, nonprofits, regulators, the tremendous power of AI, the tremendous value creation of AI, and the tremendous productivity gains, right? In the future, we want every single company to be able to train and run their ChatGPT on AMD hardware, right? And all of that allows companies to build AI themselves, right? Not just to use AI through APIs, for example. By doing so, most of the time with customized, specialized, smaller models, it makes AI faster, cheaper, and better to run. It also makes it safer for the companies, but also for the field in general, because it creates more opportunities for transparency and accountability, which fosters more ethical AI.
Yeah, that's true. It's so important to enable all those innovators and also promote that responsibility and just the creativity of everybody and empowering them to get it faster, better, easier to use. So just thrilled about that. So and I'm personally thrilled that we just recently formalized our relationship. Can you share what the Hugging Face and AMD partnership is going to deliver?
Yes, we're super excited about this new partnership that we're announcing today. I think we can clap. So Hugging Face is lucky to have become the most used open platform for AI. Today we have 15,000 companies using our software, and they have shared over 500,000 open models, datasets, and demos. Like some you might have heard of, like Stable Diffusion, Falcon, Bloom, Starcoder, Music Gen that has just been released by Meta a few days ago. Over 5,000 models, 5,000 new models were added just last week. Wow. 5,000 new models. I think it shows the crazy speed of the open source AI community these days. We will optimize all of that for AMD platforms, starting with Instinct GPUs, followed by Ryzen, EPYC, Radeon, embedded products like Versal and Algos that we've heard about. We will also include AMD hardware in our regression tests for some of our most popular libraries like Transformers and our CI/CD to ensure that new models like the 5,000 that have been added last week are natively optimized for AMD platforms. That is super exciting.
Yeah, we can't wait till we have all those Hugging Face models across our entire portfolio, but starting with the MIM state. And that's amazing. 5,000 models in just a week. It's crazy. So what are your thoughts on the benefit of our partnership that's going to provide to the developer community and really the whole industry as a whole?
Yes, so the goal is to really have the best combo between hardware and software, right? It's really important that hardware doesn't become some sort of the bottleneck or gatekeeper for AI when it develops. So what we're trying to do is to extend the range of options for AI builders, both for training and inference. I'm super excited in particular about the ability of AMD to power large language models in data centers, thanks to the memory capacity and the bandwidth advantage. Ultimately, AI is becoming the default to build all tech for all industries, right? From language models that we're talking about, but also image, audio, videos, right? We're seeing more and more time series, biology, chemistry, and many, many more domains. Hopefully, this collaboration will be one step, a great step, to democratize AI even further and improve everyone's life.
That is a truly inspired vision, and which we share at AMD. We deeply believe in that, and we're so excited that we're working together with Hugging Face to make that vision a reality. Thank you so much, Peng.